guys, how's it going? The day has come, it is April, and Tribe has arrived. It was supposed to come on Monday, but it's Saturday, and it's here, and I'm so happy. No more waiting. I want to get this guy open and show you all the wonderful goodies inside. Alright, so the box this month says Just Bloom, baby. Okay, first things first, it was on top and it's a box, so I figured, yep, we're just gonna open it. It is probably the thing I am most excited about, the Marc Jacobs Coconut Setting Spray. It's 24-hour setting perfection and glowing hydration, and it smells like coconut. Let me just say, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's sleek and pretty and just so fancy and expensive looking. So there's this revives your glow, set and perfects makeup. It combines 24-hour performance with hydrating skin-loving actives. It is a fine micro mist and delivers a healthy looking dewy glow to the complexion, at the same time locking in makeup so it stays put and looks fresh all day long. I'm trying it. I gotta press down completely for fine mist. It's a nice little instruction there. Here we go. Might take a few pumps. There we go. Whoa! It smells amazing. To me, it's not just a coconut scent. It's like maybe coconut and baby powder kind of mixed together. And I know that that sounds weird and kind of gross, but this smells awesome. Little trick to the mister on this little guy if you're having an issue. When I sprayed it, it kind of came out in a jet stream. You have to press really hard and fast, and if you do that, it'll come out in a nice fine mist. Just an FYI. So this guy retails for $15, and for reference, I paid $41.99, and that included shipping for this box. We're already like a third of the way there. And it's Marc Jacobs. I've been getting subscription boxes for a long time, and the only Marc Jacobs thing I have ever received is in a Sephora Play box, and that was their Velvet Noir Mascara. So I like luxury just as much as the next person. I just don't want to pay for it. So I'm happy to be getting this in a subscription box. I haven't really tried anything from Marc Jacobs, so I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going with what's next in here, and it was in some bubbly wraps. And it is a Ruby May Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So this is a 6 shadow palette, and I want some swatches. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. I'm just gonna swatch them on my arm and kind of show you. I don't want to do like a whole in-depth thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch in order this way. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the shadows. The lightest one was actually kind of not pigmented. The rest of them actually had decent pigmentation on them. But this one was very faint, even when I tried to build it up and build it up and build it up. I will say, I think my favorite out of all of them was probably the last one that I did. It was this one in the pan. It was beautiful. It was probably the creamiest and smoothest out of all of these in here. Now, the colors are beautiful. I do like them. I actually think that orange wasn't half bad either. That one went on pretty good. I wasn't a big fan of the light one, but actually the rest of them were pretty good in my opinion. Sure, I have more pigmented palettes, and yeah, this doesn't have any mattes in it, but they were smooth enough that I would like it. Will it be something I use every day? I don't know. I'm not huge into shimmers all the time, but it was nice enough. It's one of those that it's a good size. I can kind of put in my makeup bag in my purse. And just in case I need to, do a quick eyeshadow if I'm running late, that'll be good for that. There's only one complaint I kind of have about this, and it's that the component is a little, I don't know, loose, I guess is what I would say. I can kind of push it in. Like, I don't know if it's magnetized back there and that's just not gripping onto the edges. But that's kind of my only complaint on this. I'm afraid it might fall out. But overall, not bad. Let's read about this guy. I've never received anything from Ruby May Cosmetics before. I actually haven't heard of them before, but this is a decent palette, so they might be a pretty good company to check out. So this is a 6-color ultra creamy shimmer eyeshadow palette. It's cruelty-free, which is nice, and it retails for $17. The shimmers aren't in-your-face shimmery, so it's not horrible. It's not like you're just gonna be packed in glitter. Except for maybe that orange one. That orange one was pretty shimmery, but it was beautiful, and that's definitely something I would just use all over the lid. But the dark ones actually might be nice, just blended out in a crease. And everything will most likely blend out really well with these, from what I could see. The only one that seemed a little weird and patchy was this light one, like I said. but the rest of them actually blended out pretty nicely and were super creamy. Okay, so next we had this wrapped in with the eyeshadow palette, and this is the Too Faced Melted Latex. And this is in the color, but I'm curious and I kind of want to put it on my lips. So let's just go for it, right? I actually have this in the color Hopeless Romantic, and I love the shine of it. That color's a little light for me, but it's really pretty. These have a great smell to them. It's like I'm putting fruit punch on my lips. I think that looks really nice. It goes on very opaque. My word to the wise, especially if you're wearing a red, make sure you wear a lip liner underneath this. It bleeds like crazy. I feel like I've already got some on my teeth. It's a really pretty color, but it already started to move on me, but I usually wouldn't just slap this on without a lip liner, so I'm not gonna hold that against it. But it's very gorgeous. It is quite sticky, so if you're not a fan of this sticky type of lip products, I would avoid this. It does stick quite a bit, but the finish is gorgeous if you like a glossy shine, and it is pigmented. The color does pay off. You will see it. It's not going to be like a light wash of color. This is going to go on and it's going to be there and pow in your face. That being said, I actually really like this color. This is a color I would wear if I was going out somewhere. I think it's really pretty and it smells amazing. It smells like fruit punch. If you don't like the smell of fruit punch, you probably won't like this. It's actually quite strong. I can smell it when it's on my lips. But I actually really enjoy that smell, and I think that this is lovely. So this is something I will definitely be wearing on the fancier occasions. I don't wear reds every day, but if I'm going out, I do. This will be added to my ridiculously big lippy collection. So this retails for $21. I believe the melted latex right now are on sale in a couple of different places. I've gotten the Girl on Top gloss and the Hopeless Romantic. Those were $10 each when I bought them in Ulta. I don't know if they're all on sale for $10 right now or if that's passed or not, but I know recently you could get them for $10 somewhere. So if you're interested, it might be a good time to look into those. And now I bring to you an eyebrow brush. So you always get some sort of tool, a face tool with the Tribe box. And this month it is the Ruby May Cosmetics Dual Brow Groomer. It's their number 861. This retails for $19, and obviously fill in with the brush side. You fade out with the spoolie side. Spoolie's nice and sturdy. I do appreciate that. I don't like when they're flimsy. My Anastasia ones have broken off of my brow wiz before. Doesn't make me happy. And the brow brush actually feels really nice too. It doesn't feel like it's too flimsy either. But it's not super, super hard, so it will dispense product, I feel, pretty evenly. This is something I will use with my brow pomade, and it's always handy to have eyebrow tools. Like I said, my brushes tend to break on mine, so I'm open to having spoolies galore. Down to the last item, but it's items. These are the Masquerade Sheet Masks. These are all in the hydrating family, which it being winter, well, where I am still, hydrating's nice. This is the Pre-Party Prep. Say that 5 times fast. This one brightens, primes, and energizes. And then we have the all-nighter. And this one awakens, replenishes, and refreshes. The I don't want to grow up, because I don't want to grow up. Can someone take me back to like when I was 10 years old and had no responsibilities? That would be lovely. So this one lifts, firms, and softens fine lines. This may become my new best friend. And the last one is the Restore. And this one restores, regenerates, and repairs. Gotta love sheet masks. When you start to get older, you definitely need things to take care of your skin, and sheet masks are the bomb. So all 4 of these sheet masks retail for $28. They're 100% biodegradable. They use recyclable packaging. They're also free from parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, benzophones, artificial fragrances, and pigments. So that's the whole box. The total for this month's box was $100. That is exactly almost like to the T of how much value was inside this box. This is probably one of the lower valued ones that I've received. Hey, we got geese! That being said, I'm not upset about it. I'm just notating. I'm really excited about the Marc Jacobs. Really excited about the masks. I already know that I like these. This is a great idea. As you can see, my eyebrows are not naturally like this. Always need brow stuff. And this is nice too. So this is at least still double what I paid for it. The value is still there, in my opinion. I know for some people that may not seem like it. This is just what I think. It's my money I'm spending. And obviously, if you're looking into getting this and you don't think this is worth it, please, hold out, see if there's something different that you might like. But I enjoy this box very much. They're coming out with a limited edition box that will be shipping in May. I am so excited. You better bet that I am buying that one. I gotta get it, and I will definitely show you guys what is inside of it. It is the first limited edition box they will be doing, and I am ecstatic. I cannot wait. But let me know what you guys thought of this box in the comments below, kind of what your thoughts are. If you want to follow Tribe Beauty Box, their handle is @TribeBeautyBox. Easy enough to remember. They're a Canadian company. So don't expect your box to arrive like on the 4th. They ship out from the 1st. It usually takes about a week to get to you. It is the 7th today, so I received my box. Actually, they shipped out on the 2nd this month. So I received my box in 5 days. And that's insane coming from technically an international company. Their customer service is, beyond belief. And that is kind of something when you hear you get what you pay for, you really do with this box. Customer service is great. They're always accommodating. They try to help you out. And the owner herself, she's such a nice person. It's refreshing to see somebody that involved. But a big thumbs up for Tribe yet again. Still have not received a box I am upset with or think that it's lacking in value or anything like that. I am definitely going to continue to receive this box, and hopefully it continues to be great. Thanks so much for sticking around and watching this. I hope you all have a great evening, and I will see you next time. Bye.